Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'm gonna show you how to enter Panorama mode in Insta360 Flow 2 Pro. So you need to open the tripod first, and now just click C button 2 times. And now you have Panorama mode, and to shoot with it, just click the record button. And after 5 seconds, you'll see what my phone will do. Okay, it did 18 photos and now it's stitching it together. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.